Class 10 NCERT exercise 5.3 question number 3 sixth part. In an AP given A equal to 2, B equal to 8, Sn equal to 90, find N and An. AP में A की वैल्यू दे रखी है 2, कॉमन डिफरेंस दे रखा है 8, सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स दे रखी है 90, तो हमें N की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है और An निकालना है. Let us solve this question. Given in AP A equal to 2, common difference that is equal to 8, sum of n terms equal to 90. We know that Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, that's equal to 90. Now we will find the value of the n. n upon 2, a हमें दे रखा है 2, n minus 1 डिफरेंस दे रखा है 8, इक्वल टू 90. हमारे पास है n by 2 4 plus 8 n minus 8 equal to 90. n by 2 8n minus 4 equal to 90. n 8n minus 4, we multiply 90 with 2, we have n 8n minus 4 equal to 180. Multiply n with 8n, that's 8n square, multiply n with minus 4, that is minus 4n equal to 180. Now we will transpose 180. On the other hand, we have 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equal to 0. Now we divide the 8n with 4, minus 4n with 4, minus 180 with 4. We have 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Now we will break 2n square minus n minus 45. We have 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45. That's equal to 0. We take 2n common, we have n minus 5. We take 9 common, we have n minus 5 equal to 0. n minus 5 is common both sides. We have n minus 5, 2n plus 9 equivalent to 0. So n minus 5 equal to 0, n equal to 5. On the other hand, we have 2n plus 9, that is equal to 0. 2n equal to minus 9, n equal to minus 9 by 2. Now we will find the value of the n. Here n will be 5 because we take the positive value of the n. On the other hand, we find the value of an. We know that sum of n terms that is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. The value of it, that is 2 plus n, that is 5, minus 1 difference, that is 8. We have 2 plus 4 into 8, 2 plus 32, that is equal to 34.